Hello everyone. Today I have brought for you this topic, rounding of numbers. So what is the meaning of this rounding off? Rounding off means actually making a number approximate. That is, we will find a number which is nearest to the given number. Up to place, maybe it tens place or hundreds place or thousand place, or maybe whatever. So we can find a simpler value of the given value, and it will be closer to its 10 place or 100 place or 1000 place. Let us come to a particular example. Suppose a number is given 43. Let us make this number round off to nearest 10. So what is the 10 place digit? This is the ones place digit 3 and 10 place digit is 4. Now if we make a number line and suppose this is 40, then 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, this is 50. Okay. So 43 lies between the ranges of 40 and 50. Now this is the 45. Now you can easily check that 43 is closer to 40 in its 10 place. The two 10 places between 43 lies, that's are 40 and 50, but 43 become the closer to 40. And you can check here that 45 is greater than 43 in that case. Okay. Now if we take, so 43 we get as 40, nearest to tens. So its 10 place 43 approximated to 40 or rounding off to 40. Now if we take suppose 47, then again come to the number line, you will get 47 here, this is 46, this is 47, and check 47 is greater than 45 and it becomes closer to 50. So 47 approximated to 50, nearest tens. But this process is a long method to discuss this and to find out which one is closer to its tens place. But there is a short method you can verify here from that its ones place digit. What was the ones place digit in 43? 3, and it becomes less than 45. Why? Its ones place digit is less than 5. So less than 5, ones place digit is less than 5, that is, in that case 3 at one place is less than at 5. So we get the number nearest to 40. How? 4 remains 4 and 3 becomes 0. It becomes 40, nearest to tens. But whenever the case that ones place digit, as here 7, is greater than 5. So whenever ones place digit is greater than 5, in that case 4 becomes 5. So 47 becomes 50. Why? 4 increased by 1. The tens place digit will increase by 1 and we get 5, and then ones place digit becomes 0. So 50 we get. So the overall rule is, if we want to make the rounding of the numbers to nearest 10, then check its ones place digit. If it is less than 5, then its 10 place digit will remain same as it is and ones place digit become 0, as like as 43 become 40. If ones place digit is greater than 5, then in that case 10 place digit will increase by 1 and ones place digit be 0. So 4 plus 1 5 become, and here is 0. So 47 become 50. So this is the rule. Now let us take another example in our sort method. We will find the rounding of numbers in sort method. Round off, question is round off (68) to nearest 10. So in 68, number is 68, ones place digit is 8 and ones place digit 8 is greater than 5. So 68 rounded off to, as ones place digit is greater than 5, so 6 will increase, that is 10th place digit will be increased by 1, it will be 7 and ones place digit become 0, nearest 10. So this becomes the rounding of the number 68, answer become 70. Okay, let us take another example. Round up to nearest 10. 97. Okay, so 97, ones place digit is 7 and 10 place digit is 9. Now check the ones place digit, it is 7 and it is greater than 5. So 97 rounded off to, what will become, as ones place digit is greater than 5, so 10 place digit will increase by 1. So 9 plus 1 it becomes 10 and ones place digit 0. So 100 becomes nearest 10. So 97 become 100. If we round off the number, suppose 94. Okay, so in that case what will happen? 94, ones place is 4 and 10 place is 9. Now check 1 place digit is less than 5. Okay, so 94 rounded off to as ones place digit is less than 5, so 10 place digit remains same as it is, so 9 and ones place digit become 0, so 90 nearest 10. So in this way you can round off any number to its 10th place. Let us take another suppose a 3-digit number. 345. So in 345, ones place is 5, 10 place is 4 and there is a 100 place 3. As we are making it to nearest 10, we will check the 10 place and ones place digit. What is the ones place digit? It is exactly 5. So in that case, if exactly 5, then in that case also 10 place increased by 1. So 345 rounded off to 3, 10 place digit will increase by 1, so 5 and 1 place become 0. Its nearest to 10. Okay. So in this way you can round off any number to its 10th place. Now let us come rounding off the numbers to nearest 100. Round off, suppose 728 to nearest 100. So in that case 100 place, 10 place, 1's place, 3 place should be there, 7 to 8. We will check, as we are making the number round off to nearest 100 place is 7, okay. We will check the 10 place digit, which is 2, and we will proceed the same method as we done for to make the number round off to nearest 10. As 10 place digit here 2 is less than 5, so 100 place digit remains same, other two digit become 0, nearest to 100. If we want to round off any other number, suppose 587, okay, to nearest 100, that is the question. Round off 587 to nearest 100. So in the same process, here is 587, 1's place, 10 place, 100 place. 100 place is 5. We will check the 10 place digit, which is 8, and this 10 place digit is greater than 5. So 100 place digit will increase by 1. So 587 rounded off to 600, 5 will increase by 1 and remaining 2 digit 10 place and 1 place become 0. So 587 becomes 600, nearest 100. So in this way we can make round off a 3 digit number to its nearest 100. If we take any 4 digit number, the process will be same. To make it round off nearest 100, let us give an example. A round off 7954 nearest to 100. So in 7954, 1's place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place. Now we have to make this 100 place digit nearest to 100. 100 place digit is 9 and 10 place digit is exactly 5. In case of exactly 5, that case we will increase the place of 100. So 7954 become, it will increase by 1. So 79 plus 1 become 80, and then remaining 2 digits 0, 0. Nearest 100. So 7954 becomes 8000. Round off to nearest 100. So in this way you can make round off any number to its 100 place. Now let us come rounding of numbers to nearest 1000. We have to make nearest the number, make round of the numbers to nearest 1000. Suppose the number I am taking here, this is the number. Now in that number, first check what is the 1000 place digit. This is 1's place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place. This is the 10,000 place. Okay. So 1000 place digit is 2. And check the 100 place digit, which is 8, and 8 is greater than 5. As we are making it round off to nearest 1000, we will check the 100 place digit, and 100 place digit is greater than 5 we get. So 1000 place digit will increase by 1. So 7, 2, 8, 5, 6, this become 7, 3, increase by 1, remaining 3 digits 0. Nearest 1000. Okay. Now let us take another round off. Round off 89287, this number to nearest 1000. So check what is the 1000 place in that number. 89287. This is one place, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 place. Okay. So 1000 place digit is here 9. Check the 100 place digit, which is 2, and 2 is less than 5. 100 place digit is less than 5. So there will be no increase in the 1000 place. So 9 will be same as it is. So the number become 8 and 9 remains 9. Remaining 3 digits will be 0. So this number become 89000, nearest 1000. Okay. So what is the common rule here? Common rule is whenever you are rounding off any number to any place, so you have to check the digit before the place. Suppose you are making rounding off to 1000 place, so you have to check the 100 place digit. If it is greater than 5, then it will increase the digit of 1000 place by 1, and if it is less than 5, then 1000 place digit remains same, and the other digits after 1000 place will be 0. If we are making the number round off to nearest 100, then we have to check the 10 place digit. If the 10 place digit is greater than 5, then we will increase the 100 place digit by 1 and remaining digits 0. If it is less than 5, then 100 place digit remains same as it is, and the other digits after 100 place will be 0. So in this way the 10th place digit also same rule. So this was the topic for today, rounding of numbers. Next day we will discuss another topic. Thank you and goodbye.